What do you do if you have a cabin cruiser and someone walks through the screen door and ends up bending the frame? Uh, it's a bit of a problem because getting screen doors for cabin cruisers and yachts and all types of boats are hard to find. The reason is they'll use a polished aluminum frame, which is not common in regular residential screen doors. And not only that, the way the screen doors are attached, you've got things in the way of the patio door frame, which you can't easily remove, which make the screen door extremely difficult to get out and put back in. And it's even worse because the cabin cruisers have low ceilings and really nice wooden finishes all around, which you have to be really careful with taking the screen door out to make sure that you don't bump into anything and make any scratches. So I even heard a quotation from TaylorMade for one of their replacement screen doors for a Sea Ray cabin cruiser was almost $1,500 US. I thought it would be better if I went out and looked for a replacement for those screen doors. And this is the screen door that I came up with. It's got a 3-inch wide frame, which is bigger than the TaylorMade doors. It's also extruded aluminum and not the roll form that TaylorMade uses. This door, what I do is I polish it up just like the TaylorMade version, and it can be a very, very good replacement. And I'm going to show you some of the details now in the following videos.
Now, the way the rollers work in these doors is pretty simple. They have a ball bearing roller with a plastic wheel. The roller itself just slips into a pocket, and there's a tab bent in to stop the roller going too far up in the frame, and it comes into contact with that, so that stops it going too far up. There's a slot cut in the side where you can adjust the height of the roller just by using a screwdriver. So really the whole thing just pushes straight in until it won't go any further. Another nice thing about this door is that you don't really need to take the handle off to put the screen cloth in. Because this is a new door, the handle's not on yet. I'm going to leave it off until the end, but if we were repairing this in the future, you could leave the handle off. You could leave the handle on, sorry, and it wouldn't get in the way of putting the new cloth in. I've pre-assembled the screws into the width bars, and you can see here how they slide up into one side of the height bars. Then after you've pushed this all the way in, you just have to tighten the screw. Just imagine this is the threshold in the Sea Ray with the carpet and the stainless steel nosing. I'm pretty sure it's a 2x4 underneath there anyway. And just take, this is the track, the existing track that you have. This is an aluminum one, but the one in the Sea Ray is made of stainless steel that fits behind there. So what I'm sending is this new track, which has a spacer, and you see it's been routed out to fit into the existing Sea Ray track. So you're going to put that in, and the whole thing is going to end up being level. The only problems I've had in the past is sometimes there's bits of carpet, old carpet down in here, that I had to trim out with the knife to get this to slip in nicely. But that was the only problem I had so far. But that's the idea of the track that's included with the kit.
Plus, save 50% on motorization. It's the Back to Home sale, only at Clients to Go.